Hello, my name is Katy, the mascot of Kadoing. Today you will see a tips and tricks video from Mark of Kadoing support about how to clean and reset the bear and bunny alarm clock in case of any dirt or errors. I wish you much fun. Love, Katy.
Your child may play intensively with the alarm clock and it might get a little dirty. Luckily, the silicone cover is easy to clean. Just simply use like a napkin to clean it and your child can reuse it. However, do not put it in the washing or the dishwashing machine. It's only cleanable by hand. You can also detach the silicone cover from the internal clockwork. Just hold the plug and push the clock out of the cover. You can now clean the skin with a napkin for cleaning it more intensively. And then after use, put the clock back into the skin. You see now the silicone cover is back in the internal clockwork and you can use it again. With this alarm clock, children have a little friend, but they can play also very intensively with the alarm clock and it can resist the bump because it got a silicone cover. However, in very occasional situation, the power can go off. This might be the case when the power is not connected anymore. We will show you now how to use it. Do some checks easy by yourself, where you can see if the battery is still attached to the CPU motherboard. Simply put the clock out of the skin. And here you see 4 screws on each side, which you can open to detach to open it. I'm now demonstrating you how it looks when it's open. We now detach the back side with a little screwdriver and we disassembled the little screws on the 4th side. We can now put the back side open and see the inside. When the alarm clock has no power, the only thing you can check and do is see if the battery is connected to the CPU board. When you have detached the backside from the alarm clock, please only check if the switches are connected with the CPU board. Mainly if the power switch is connected with the CPU board and also the other switches are connected, it should be fine. Please do not try to disassemble anything else or to break the alarm clock further open, because that's not possible. Only check if the switches are connected to the CPU board. It should be working then. If it's still not working, please contact customer service. Once you're finished with checking, you can put it closed again and screw the little screws with the little screwdriver and put the silicone cover on it again. You see now the silicone cover is back in the internal clockwork and you can use it again.
Thanks for watching until the very end. Hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more funny, cute, and informative videos. See you next time. Love, Katy.